Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on the Brawl Stars game. So let's get started right away. Now, if you don't wish to see any notifications from the Brawl Stars game on your device, then in order to turn it off, locate the Brawl Stars game on your device first and long press on it. You will see the info button now, which you can tap on to end up within the application info page. Now, once you are inside this page, tap on Force Stop at the bottom right corner first, and then tap on OK to stop the application. Once the application has been stopped, underneath Privacy, tap on Notifications. Now, within this page, if the Allow Notifications button is turned on, then this will allow all notifications from the application. So simply turn this toggle off, and now all of the notifications from the Brawl Stars game will be disabled. You can go back to this menu at any point of time if you wish to turn the notifications back on. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the Brawl Stars game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.